So this is my collection of fidgets. I have squishies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 10 squishy balls. And then there's one's a smiley face, there's a bear, a cat one, this Orby ball one, and then I have a lot of Poppets, Among Us, Apple keychain, Among Us, 2 Poppet fidget spinners, and then I have these little, what are these? And they're really cool. I have a glow-in-the-dark Poppet. And then I have a glow-in-the-dark one. It'll turn green in the light. I have a blue, white, and red star Poppet. And then I have 2 square things I can move and everything. Then I have these, they're little mini cubes. You try to solve them. And then you have to get the right color on it. Like this. And then I have a, my kind of drink Poppet. So then I have a little controller keychain. Then I have a computer Poppet. It's like exactly like a computer, has the letters on it, and then the space and everything. And then I have a little mini square one. And then I have a little fidget cube. And then I have a little sticky tube. I have another kind of one of them, but it's a little more different. And then I have a little rainbow ball. Then I have a little crystal ball. Then I have a kind of game board where it comes with dice and then you pop them and how much you get. This one you play with a team member, you would roll the dice and then whatever you get, that's how much you pop. And then you keep going and then you would pop 5 for this team, and then if you pop them, whoever pops them all first, you get to pop one of these, and then you go on the other side and continue doing it. And then I have a lot of fidget spinners. These ones are light up ones, and then this is just a regular. This a mini light. And then I have this big, large Poppet. And then I have the squishy Orbeez with mini little spikes on them. And that. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe.